ni Ikomi nalimo umwaka wiga na mangabirga kone kigwa kurwa Chinsemo aho ime na isko yorogongoro gusi Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yubwenge nkoro kwa Kevin Onkoba kurwa sensemelia yemanyererio niga koro kwa Wilson Makori. Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi ni gotogo chaka kurwa ase county ya Kisii kubatkana amono gwateka kwegas asensemelia ye chiro ya kiumbo nigo umusacho ya mukuru wa asensemeyo oyo gokora obosombi gosebe babeba azagatigati yo mucho kiumbo nigo agendrete kurwanira obugima bwaye nabo kugwene chingoma ecyanyorete kubatkana amone gas eyalipuka ase ensemeyo oikabone iga nigo umusao yo ataranyora bugweni bonde bwensi nabo bokonyi kinga kyaberga kuburia barayigwe soke mnenkiremo yoko mokonya
samalieta ngorukwa beba omoni amache nkosukuma amache ke mbwana iguruparo kera nkosukuma amache ne iguruparo bono gaki litukondia betali ya Sunday chitariki 3 omorero gabwata ke umbuga chigasi gochia bono chigo toreka na inche ne chitare menarenge ngabuga bono ngaigore tirisanga siomeri ngarra no morero bwatite ke umbwengima gaki ngarra mo ri bono chire ngaimo kebuku ngarra bono abantu kibandete gotama ninyigweta mariogi ye chigasi buna chikolipuka bono ngarango soka nebuku ina ikiri isiko egento kegaka inse bo kiegasi ani yabutokire yagure inse ekanga kokogore episi no ere nyomba ga inusu abantu bagocha bajerora arafu n'abantu baringe ke umumba jeroche bunegwaka bunego chagocha bakata mwane yakiro obwango obwo ngake imi abantu bakacha bakanyimokia bakanyira nyagitari bono ndoche gakigoro kwa nengo gunda gukare gocha gakitinda nyabakonyi bondo bwensi egisirenga likeru tinda akonyo arabwa Mario kondi keru tinda akonyo kakyo mo MP itusairi chanda arabu na simbarati kaki mutago chakafana kaki mondu usinyomba ukugoro kwa gundire go ikire igoro kaki ngo kunde nyomba kaki ninga kuno egisire ni aguna Mario go nirane nyomba kaki kwa gundire ngakibono ngo bakaki kaki nkonye kaki serikali yeito kaki yago ntiga igo kaki simbarati
Chumurato kwirana asense mwende kubatkana amonogo konga kubugima litkori areno nigo aba bishop kurwa ase Chinsa aho namono chiria chige Catholic anyakabago sokia na kogendra komoche serikali yomoske Dr. William Samuruto abange nigo babere bakugikiria ebikore bya abantu kubora nabo igabangi gotoka basiriti umabwabo asinchira cyubututukano boigo kinga kiba bishop wabeiga babeba kwanera igoro yobututukano obwateranete umurubiri social health insurance chief ose ori social health authority waberigo korenta obututukano ase konyora ubugweni anamono asaba nanchi imensi yake.
We are appalled by the blatant recurring incidents of reported abductions, disappearances, torture, and killings of Kenyans. We also decry the increasing murder of women. This has caused great consternation, anger, and disgust. Many families are still grappling with the loss of their children who are brutally killed.
Now owed billions in dues is an issue we have addressed constantly, even with the president. We recall the pertinent and resolved issues we have raised recently with the government over taxation of Kenyans, the hiking of the missionary work permits, youth unemployment, regulations of the education system, especially the CBC and university loan scheme, the failure to constitute the IEBC, etc. We believe that genuine consultation of all concerned stakeholders in all these matters is necessary beyond the casual public participation. This culture of lies, unkept promises, and misplaced priorities is unacceptable and needs to be dealt with. Selfish agenda to extend the term of elected leaders. It is baffling that a bill proposing an
Wanchumurato kwirana asensemeri county ya Uasin Gishu maiga yogwetigia emirimo kwa mokonyi bu mugabana bwe county ya Uasin Gishu asireta John Parorot na bagochorwa kwa omokonyi bu mugabana omoya asireta Evans rukaba okoenekia ugotiani gokwa Evans Kipkea nabo asensemo yani go omuske Evans abiriga kurira yogotia kubaterana amo no muske Jonathan B erigokinia county yo ya Uasin Gishu.
I Evans Kipruto Kipkea do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy Governor of Uasin Gishu County
unanimously in general elections 2022. You elected me to represent you in the 2022 general elections, and that trust has shaped me as a leader, as that leader I am today. I pledge to continue working tirelessly now alongside our governor to make a meaningful difference for all residents of Uasin Gishu. To the wider community of Uasin Gishu, I stand here committed.
Nchumuratu kwirana se kaunti ya Kisii munenchera moyo gukora ogusaru ku mwana umunyaruka nigo eskuru ya Mangahat iyo gotoka asensemeli kaunti ya Nyamira nigo ritko lyarero banyaka bakurwa obosemi gokiase egati ya abana abanyaruka wetankurwa asogusarwa nabo umurubiri nigo nyakabo korekana aseskuru yoboroso ya Motembedi okay yegotoka ase ward ya Kemera kaunti ya Nyamira.
Igona tebanga muna sana simanga hat asupiri abana enchera mpadara ya kumtuta abana babasini abanyaruka babite miyago jakera miyage sitabaga miyago 11 aso abantu bande basumo kudu musara bana una baso miguga aberega fo tamu ibere na abari mwitu abasomiribiya abatebiri gukwaruka nenche nabona abayiriri babaliza somera gaskuru ya motel na yaraba tikoye gosoka turatebenga etoko omoyo nga abana bambasomi gukiriga ne rubugwa ukwarukia abana banyaruka vile nimesema na babishoboye tubigire kubategura ama ukwaruka abana banyaruka ngubwa
Manchimurete kwirana asensemo yo obochenu mnencheremo yo konekinga abana babiri bakonyora echanjo ya polio litkolia rero nigo omuriki botambe ase wizara yo obochenu umusubati Mary Mudoni nigabirika gwesoke na otamna echanjo ya polio nigerengia gokiase abana na nirubuya abayibori osokia abana babiri konyora echanjo yo.
And unfortunately, due to low routine immunization rates in some counties and polio outbreaks in neighboring countries, Kenya remains at risk at any given time. And that is why we are continually doing the oral polio vaccination, because every dose means a lot. It adds an extra protection for any child who is below 5 years. And I want to assure you that all vaccines that are offered by the Ministry of Health are tested to be safe, effective, and they are approved by the World Health Organization. This vaccine is being used everywhere else in the world. So it is not just Kenya alone. Control Laboratory, together with Pharmacy and Poisons Board, and have been found to be safe and very effective. As of yesterday, we have been able to vaccinate way over 3.6 million children, and that is 86% of the aim to reach 95% by the close of business today. We are
Chumuratu kwirana asensemeli kaunti ya Baringo nigo musayo mubi myaka 25 agendrete gutigara sigeta senki abanyimbo maega yo gotebekana kumuita umurugio ye ase ensemeyo korengana amuna mnyiba ensemeye kaunti ya Baringo nigo bagote amuna nigo eliomana lya tegete ase enkeyo igendukirete musacho ikwire getambukiro yo kumurusia umurugio abomoyo.
Huyu ilisemekana alienda na tangu isemekana alipiti hapo hajaonekana. Mjamaa huo tunaona tu, tunaenda tu. Monday tulikuta yeye kwa karibu Catholic huko. Tuliona tu melala hivi na tukaona ni kama kamba ako kwa shingo. Kwa kitanda. Ako chini na hiyo kamba yake ako chini. Tukasema amusi ni kusema huyu mtu amenyonga. Kufika hapo nje sasa tukamwambia umefanya? umefanyia nini? Ati amepatia dawa. Niambia na ile kamba iko. Kasema nilipatia dawa. Niambia mbona mlango imefungwa? Fungulia sisi. Akasema kifungua hakuna.
Ole wangu naye nilistuka. Nikapata ya kuwa ndugu yangu alitenda kitendo cha unyama. Akaua ambaye alikuwa anaishi naye ni kama bibi yake, wako na mtoto mmoja. Na nilipoangalia vizuri sana na kuuliza, nikapata kiini ni ya kuwa eti mke wake huyo ambaye amekuwa naye amekuwa ni mke mwenye amekuwa akitangatanga, na akapatana na askari. Naye huyu askari, huyu kijana ambaye sasa yuko korokoroni, yeye alienda baada ya kushuhudia ya kuwa naye mke wake huyo mpendwa.
Murato kwirana asense mwende kubatkana amo nogo konga kubugima nigo muri kibotambe ase ensemelia interior and national coordination almost kerimod omoro nigaberika gwesoke no kwanera igoro ya makongu ao ense ya Kenya egendrete gwetera nabo nigo omolo aberika gwesoke na otamna niga serikali begete mirobulisene yogo chiago kino chumi yense ya Kenya.
In March last year, His Excellency President Ruto initiated a comprehensive evaluation of our peace-building architecture, demonstrating the commitment to tackle the dynamic challenges related to peace, security, and social cohesion. Moreover, the competition for natural resources and border disputes, especially in our arid and semi-arid regions, has similarly been a source of extremism. In these areas, pre-existing grievances are often exploited by extremist groups to further their own agenda. From these experiences, we've learned that our communities, particularly in vulnerable regions, are often the primary target of these threats. And we've also come to understand that social cohesiveness and peace cannot be enforced. They must be willingly embraced by citizens to be fully guaranteed and also to be sustainable. In certain regions of our country, including the capital, we have regrettably witnessed occasional extremist activities. Just a few meters from here, we had the Westgate terror incident a few years back.